Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making spinach and feta baked chicken. You're going to need 230 grams of feta, 1 cup mozzarella, 230 grams cream cheese, 2 tablespoons parsley, 2 pounds of chicken breast, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, teaspoon pepper, half a teaspoon lemon zest, 2 tablespoons dill, 1 cup fresh spinach. We're going to start with dicing onion very small. Cut the fresh dill very fine. We're going to do the same thing with parsley, cut it really fine. Also with the fresh spinach, cut it really fine. Now we're going to make a mixture of vegetables and cheeses. We're going to start with the cream cheese, then crumble the feta as much as you can. Add salt, add pepper, add minced garlic, add dill, parsley, shredded spinach, diced onion, and lemon zest. And then mix it really well. Now spread a little bit of oil on a baking pan. Lay down the chicken so every piece touches the bottom of the baking pan and they don't overlap. Now we're going to cover it with a mixture of cheeses and spinach and cover the entire top, almost like I'm making a cake. Now cover evenly the entire top with the mozzarella cheese. Preheat your oven to 350 and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes or until chicken is cooked through. And there it is. It's beautiful and so easy to make it, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.